Isn't this great? I can't remember the last time we decided to relax and chill out.
I don't usually like taking time out, but we have been super busy lately.
We sure have. Remember that slime guy we had to fight? I was washing that slime out of my hair for weeks afterwards.
Yeah, he was pretty gross in every way possible.
Well, no weird slime guys are here to ruin our date. Today is all about having fun.
Our what?
Our day. Why would I say anything else, my lady? Whoop! Where to next?
Somewhere fun?
Great idea. That sounds fun.
Is this safe?
Come on, Ladybug. I always land on my feet, you know.
Not always. Woohoo!
Woo!
Woo!
3, 2, 1, go! Today's been nice, right?
No slime guys or evil plots? Just the two of us? Yeah, it's been great.